Hello guys, and hope doing well. I'm sure so many guys have problem with opamp and they don't know exactly the compression or configuration in the opamp how works, and I should say it is very easy. This is the book reference. The name is Sensors, and I find very useful page to well know exactly what is op amp and how it is works. The IC that I work on today is ua741. You can use also LM741 like me. You can see it is MC1741 CP1. It's very hard to find this IC, but you can use any version of ua741. Okay, very good. You can see the left side. Here we have one pot. It is voltage divider, and we have two cases. If we connect the reference voltage, this one, to channel A, pin number 2 is case B, and if we connect the voltage reference to the pin B or pin or IC number pin number 3, it is case number A. Very good. So I'm going to test. You can see I have 2 meters. The blue meter is the voltage reference from the pot 1. It is connected to the pin A, and the red meter is connected to the pin number 3. Very good. So this is the thing that we should know when we are connecting the voltage reference to pin number A, and when the voltage coming to pin number B going bigger or more than voltage reference, the thing coming to the pin number A, the LED will be on here. And if we connect the reference voltage to channel B and the voltage for the A going for the more than the voltage coming to the B, the light will be on. I will test it here and you can check it. Now the voltage reference, the left side, is 2.25, and the voltage for pin number 3 is near to 0. When I'm turning the pot to adjust the voltage to the bigger than 2.25, the LED here will be on. I will try. It is 1.5 and the LED is still off. 1.8, 1.9, 2 volt. Very well. Very good. Now the LED is on, and the voltage is the same. You can see both sides is 2.1. That's it. It's very easy to well know exactly how the ua741 op amp working. Here is the schematic of the project, but the descriptions in Persian language, but it is very easy to know. One more time I will recheck. The left side is the reference voltage. The voltage will be divided by this pot. You can use 2 resistors, or you can any external other voltage source. If the voltage source connect to pin number B, LED when will be on, the incoming voltage for the pin A bigger than B, and reverse same for the channel A when connected to the reference voltage. This is the first time that I see very easy explained for the ua741 to know exactly comparison for the opamp series, and you can see when the voltage go down below, going below than the left, now is more than, then I'm trying, yeah, it is off. The voltage is 2 volts and the LED is off. The quality of the IC is most important part. Sometimes they are not exactly the two channels same each other. You can try to other op amps to find the high precision operational amplifier, and it is dependent to your project sensitivity, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.